Today I'll be unboxing the complete Disney Lacers Series 5 collectible shoes. The theme for this series is Disney villains, which is awesome. So these were released in August of 2025, and they are available at the Disney Store and in the parks for $16.99 per box, and there is one shoe in each box. The Disney Store also sells this as a complete set of 6 for $99, and that is what I bought here. So I will be showing you all 6 shoe designs today. So the shoe designs that we can get here feature villains from the following movies. We have Hercules, Aladdin, The Lion King, Sleeping Beauty, The Emperor's New Groove, and a mystery shoe design. So let's open these up and see the shoes. So I have 6 boxes here to open up, which contain all 6 of the shoe designs for Series 5. I did take the wrapper off of the boxes, but I didn't open the boxes up, so I don't know what shoe is in what box. So there's still a little bit of a mystery here. And I also don't know what the mystery shoe design is, but looking at the villains, usually when they do a villain series, like pin series or something, you usually have Maleficent and the Evil Queen. So the shoe designs that they're showing us, we have Maleficent, but we don't have the Evil Queen. So I'm going to guess the Evil Queen. So maybe you'll have her on one side, and then maybe the other side would be maybe the mirror, or, ooh, the old hag. Old hag, I'm guessing that. Yeah, so we got Evil Queen on one side, the old hag on the other. So that's my guess, but it could be Ursula too. You could have Ursula on one side and then Flotsam and Jetsam on the other, but ooh, that's a tough one. I'm gonna go with the Evil Queen though. So let's go ahead and get started. I guess I'll just start with this one here. So we'll get this one opened up and we'll see what our first shoe design is. Maybe it'll be the mystery shoe. And we have, well, I see Kronk. So it is the Emperor's New Groove. So these are all inside individual bags inside the box here. So let's take a look at this shoe. So we have the Emperor's New Groove shoe, and on this side we have Kronk, who's thinking about something here. And on the other side we have Yzma, of course. So Kronk and Yzma, and then the toe is just purple. We have purple laces, and there is nothing written on the tongue of the shoe, but down on the inside it says Disney's The Emperor's New Groove. So that's the movie logo there. And then the bottom we have the Disney Lacers shoe design, some Emperor's New Groove colors here, and I don't know what that is. What is that? Almost looks like a person like falling forward or something. Not sure. Not sure what that is. You're probably seeing a better picture of it than I am right now, but I'll figure that out. So we have the Emperor's New Groove, and the colors there match the purple in these boxes. So let's get to the second shoe here. See what we have. Ooh, I see more purple, and we have Sleeping Beauty. So let's open this up and see what we have on both sides. So the side that they show us on the box here is the one with Diablo. So we have Diablo flying, or looking like he's gonna land here. Got purple in the background. And then on the other side we have Maleficent, and you can see the spinning wheel back there too. That's pretty cool. And then on the top of the shoe here, we do have the Maleficent dragon head right on the toe. That's pretty cool. And we have purple laces. There is nothing written on the tongue. And then down on the inside, I'll push these laces out of the way. What do we have? Well, we have a Maleficent dragon design. Very hard for me to see. Again, you're seeing it better than I am. That is very cool. And then on the back of the shoe, this little back spine, I really should look up what that's called. This is like my 5th video of these, and I keep forgetting to look up what that's called, but we do have kind of the branches there that we always have in the back of Maleficent designs. And then on the bottom we have, looks like Diablo down here on the bottom of the heel. Very cool. Nice. I like the dragon head on the toe, because most of them don't have things on the toe, so that's kind of cool. All right, get into shoe 3. what do we have? It is not the mystery shoe. It is Aladdin. So get this one out of the bag. And on this side of the shoe, we have Jafar. And this one has a lot of details down on the bottom of the shoe. Oh, I guess Emperor's New Groove did too. I just didn't talk about it. So we have some detail there on the little bottom part of the shoe. And we have Jafar. And then on the other side, we have Iago. That's really cool. And this one is, we have red toe, kind of a golden red there with purple shoelaces. Nothing written on the tongue. Wow, so far nothing's written on any of these on the tongue there. Got to push the shoelaces away. That's something I don't mention a lot or at all with these, is they do have real shoelaces. So you could pull the shoelaces out of the shoe and then like tie a bow or something. So it depends on how you want to display it. And then down on the inside, it looks like, is that the Cave of Wonders? I think that might be the Cave of Wonders. That's pretty cool. And then on the bottom of the shoe, we have the lamp. That's down on the bottom of the heel. Very cool. I like that. I like the colors of that one. The dark red and the gold and the purple. Very nice. All right, get into shoe number 4, and it's blue. I could see some blue, so that could either be Hades one, maybe the mystery one. It is Hercules. Right, so this one's mostly blue. And on this side of the shoe, we have Pain and Panic. Very cool. And then on the other side, we have Hades, of course. He's got the blue fire behind him, and this shoe is mostly blue. It's actually all blue except for one side is purple, the Pain and Panic side of the shoe. We have the blue toe, and this one does have something on the tongue. We have the little, that was the potion, right? The mortal potion, the top of that potion bottle, I think. And then down on the inside, what do we got? Is that Pain and Panic? That looks like Pain and Panic down there. And then on the very bottom of the shoe, we have that same little, the thing that was on the poison bottle there with a little bit of fire behind it. That is cool. Really like the colors of that one too. Different shades of blue and purple. All right, so we are down to 2. So one of these is going to be the mystery shoe, and the other one is going to be, what are we missing? The Lion King. So we got the Lion King and the mystery shoe. And this one, I can see on the bottom, I see blue. That's probably not the Lion King, so this is probably gonna be the mystery shoe. Blue doesn't really fit with Evil Queen though. Ooh, it's not the Evil Queen. This is the mystery shoe. And, get it out of here. My second guess was correct, because this side of the shoe, the side I'm looking at, is Flotsam Jetsam. So we have Flotsam Jetsam here, kind of a blue water background there with the purple. And then on this side, we of course have Ursula. Very cool. And then the toe is black, and we have some purple and some blue shoelaces. And there is something on the tongue. It looks like that is actually Ursula. Little picture of Ursula with their tentacles and stuff. That's cool. And then down on the inside of the shoe, do we have anything? We do. I don't know if I can really see what that is. It looks like, oh, I see the shell. Oh, I see all the little eyes of all the little, the people that she, whatever, imprisons. That's what that looks like to me. And then the very bottom of the shoe, we have Ursula's crown down on the heel. So that is a very cool shoe. Black, purple, Ursula, very nice. All right, so I guess we're not getting an Evil Queen shoe. All right, and the last one, of course, is the Lion King. Gotta be careful here not to cut part of the shoe. And so then on this side of the shoe, we have the hyenas. So that's, who was that? Ed? I always remember Ed, Shinzi, and Bonsai, right? Those are the 3, did I get them right? And we have a cool design down here on the bottom of the shoe. And then on this side of the shoe, we of course have Scar. And the shoe is different shades of brown and yellow and orange. Very cool. Nothing on the toe, but the tongue does have, what is that? Is that a lion? Is that Scar running? That's what that looks like. And then down on the inside, tuck the shoelaces away, it does say Disney, the Lion King. It's got the Lion King logo there. And at the bottom, we have a little symbol down there. I'm not sure what that is. Little squiggly symbol down there on the heel. Very cool. So those were the 6 designs for the Disney Villains Series 5 Lacers. So those were the Disney Lacers Series 5 collectible shoes, the Disney Villains themed ones. Let me know down in the comments, which one was your favorite shoe design out of these 6? My favorite shoe, this was a tough one because I like quite a few of them here. I really love the way the Maleficent one looks, where you got the green and then you have the Maleficent dragon head right on the toe. But overall, I think my favorite shoe design here is the Ursula shoe. I really like the black with the dark purple and then the bright blue laces. So that one is my favorite here. So if you love Disney Lacers, be sure to check out my channel because I do unboxings of series 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then now this one. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.